Welcome to IMTEX 2025. We are at the hall of GROB India. GROB is an international name in the field of machine tools, and I am happy that I have with me Mr. L.J. Naidu, Managing Director of GROB Machine Tools India Private Limited. Mr. Naidu,
Thank you, sir. Thank you for the nice introduction.
Thank you. Yeah. Can you please give a brief overview of the company?
GROB is a family-owned company with its headquarters in Germany. It's a 1 hour driving distance from Munich International Airport. And this is the single biggest machine tool manufacturing location in entire Europe.
Yes.
And then we have also our manufacturing plants in Brazil, USA, China, and Italy. And right now we have just inaugurated our new sixth manufacturing plant in the world in India.
Yeah.
In the month of May 2024. And we have right now reached a manpower capacity of about 175 people in India. And we have a very ambitious target to reach 240 people before end of this year. And then we would already start with our second phase of investment in the plant. Ultimately, with 4 phases of investment in our plant by 2028-29,
Okay.
our aim is to reach anywhere between 800 to 1,000 employees in Indian plant. And with the first phase that we have invested with our plant, we have already covered all basic requirements to manufacture a machine. And we have invested in total about 135 crores so far. And the investment, like I said, with the second and third phase and fourth phase, it will continue. And coming to the company background, this was founded in 1926
Okay.
in Munich by Dr. Ernst GROB and followed by his son Dr. Muttard GROB and by his son Christian GROB. Now the fourth generation is in the what you call management position, that is Mr. Florian GROB. And it's 100% family-owned company. And right now we have 10,000 employees with a turnover globally with 6 plants and 25 sales and service subsidiaries. And we reach a turnover of about 2 billion euro per year. And out of this 2 billion euro, we get 50% from the machine tools itself, from our 5-axis machining centers, and remaining 50% we get from electromobility, supplying turnkey solutions to electric vehicle manufacturers, OEMs. So all major OEMs in the world in electric vehicle manufacturing are our customers.
That is a sunrise industry.
Yes. And especially when it comes to hairpin stator, which is the most predominant technology in the EV motors for passenger cars. We are proud to say our market share in the world is 69%.
Oh, fantastic.
Okay. So all the remaining competitors share about 31%, and we are the first choice partners or suppliers for all the major automotive OEMs who are producing passenger cars with electric.
That is interesting to know. So, what are the trend-setting products you are displaying here, and what will be the center of attraction in this stall for the visitors?
Compared to all the other stalls that you would have seen here, we are here with a horizontal 5-axis machining center, which is unique. And we have a unique axis configuration in our machine, which is totally different to others. And every customer who realizes the advantage of this machine, then immediately he compares what advantage he gets with our machine because of our technology. And third, we focus on cycle time, part quality, and machine life. All 3 are important for us.
Yeah.
So that is why if you see, selling first machine to any customer for us is very difficult. But his second purchase is always GROB. He doesn't go to any other company.
Yeah.
Okay. And one more peculiar thing what we are displaying here, which you would not have found with any other stall here, the complete straight line for electric vehicles. How We supply the turnkey stator line, and also you can see a hairpin stator itself there.
Okay.
So you would not have found any other company displaying a solution for electric vehicles.
Okay. So it's really unique. Huh? So what are the challenges you have addressed to enhance precision, efficiency and productivity at the customer end?
See, like I said, GROB machines are high-end machines, and high-end and high-efficient machine also comes with cost. So we are not the cheapest in the market. So the biggest challenge for us is how to become competitive in front of customers. So it's always, if a customer is buying purely on price, we are not investors. If customer is looking for a technical solution and long-term reliability, and a company with whom he is looking for making long-term partnership, then we are in. We have a chance to sell a machine. So every customer where we have made success, this is what you call funda behind, that if we get into technical discussion, then we have more chances to sell the machine than starting at the first minute with the commercial. Okay. So price is a challenge, but we are trying to overcome that with our technology.
Now finally, how do you align yourself with the latest trends and technologies in relation to digital technology and sustainability in manufacturing?
Yes, this is really an important topic. And in 2012, we were just a machine tool company, like any other machine tool company. And we were what you call doing a turnover of about 1.2 billion euros. GROB is unique because no other machine tool company ever realized that there is a change coming in automobile companies. Combustion engines are going to be the past what you call resemblances. They will become antiques, and the automobile industry or the vehicles are going to be completely electric or hybrid or fuel cell driven cars. GROB, being a machine tool company, realized this as early as 2010, and we started investing in our R&D and new product development for electric vehicles starting from 2012. And in 2017, we have already delivered our first line. And today, like I've told you, for hairpin stator technology, our market share is 59% in the world. So there is no other machine tool company who got into this field. So we always envisage how the trend is moving, what new technology is going to come, and we get prepared at least 8-10 years before the actual thing happens in the market. We are already starting our investment. Similarly, if you see our GROB India investment, for the size of Indian market, for our kind of premium and high segment machines and technology, it is too early. But we want to be early enough so that we make our investment, make our plan, hire people, train them in Germany, bring them and their skills and workmanship to German quality and German expectations. By the time we expect this market to open up for high-end machines. So this investment what we have made 2 years ago is for something what we expect to happen in India by 2028-29. For which we have already started investment in 2021-22. So we are always futuristic company and future preparedness.
You can also touch upon the sustainability.
In case of sustainability, we look at several aspects. That when we design a product itself, we design keeping in mind how long this product can sustain. It is not that we develop a machine just for selling in the market for 1 year, 2 years. So if you see any GROB machine that goes into the market, many customers have machines which are more than 30 years. So the product sustainability is very important for us. And at the same time, technology. With the rapid what you call changes in technology, your product should be already at least 2 or 3 generations advanced, so that you are not fiddling with the technology every day. So it has to sustain for a long period. Third, we also work on carbon neutrality. So all our plants, as much as possible, we try to generate power. with captive power generation in-house, and we try to what you call limit our emissions into the air or into the ground as low as possible. And even in GROB India plant, we are going to install solar power generation of 500 kilowatts.
Oh,
Okay, so we want to be at least more than 80% or close to 90% if the government norms allows. We want to generate captive power using natural resources.
it's really exciting and interesting. Thank you very much. Wish
Thank-
you all the best for the event.
Thank you very much. Thanks for your time, and it's my pleasure. Thank you.